I'm Marty.
Hi, Marty.
And that concludes the end of our introduction. Hello, 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 everyone. Each and every one of you has come here because, let's face it, you have a problem. A problem that can only be solved by the raw vulnerability of those in similar situations. The people and this group. And that being said, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to this week's meeting of Helicopter Parents Anonymous. Now, does anyone have any mountains of parenting success that they have successfully scaled? Or any valleys of despair that they have regretfully tumbled?
I guess I have a success I can tell.
Of course, Deborah.
Okay, so this week I did not sneak into my son's room to do his laundry while he wasn't at home.
That right there, that's messed up. You didn't even train your boy how to do his own laundry?
Lawrence has allergies, and he could have an allergic reaction if he uses the wrong detergent. Thank you very much.
Deborah, sweet Deborah. I see that you are making exponential progress. Now, your actions messed up? Definitely. But progress nonetheless. And that's what we care about here, Jefferson, is progress. Now, does anyone else have anything they'd like to share? This is a safe space.
I guess I have a valley or something to share.
Yes, Jefferson, the stage is yours.
So, I was driving down Intercoastal and I saw my little girl sitting there on a wall talking to a boy. A boy!
What is it that bothered you about this, Jefferson? Does that wall perhaps represent the wall that you built with your daughter many years ago?
That's the DTR wall.
What the name of Jeff Goldblum's DTR?
Well, it's where all the kids go to define their relationships. Duh! At least that's what my daughter Sarah texted me. We are best friends like that, so we tell each other everything. LOL!
Did you just say relationship?
Yeah.
That's it. I'm going to march my way down to that campus and I'm going to smack that boy in the middle of next week looking both ways till Sunday.
Whoa, Jefferson, hold on a second. Now, I don't know what that saying means, but it sounds very violent.
It is.
Take a seat and breathe in. Excellent. You're throwing off this group's aura right now, though, so I'm going to have you to stop that. Does anyone else have any victories they'd like to share with us so that our chakras are not uninspired?
I actually have something to share that I think will help us all.
Yes, Joan, this is the time.
Great. Okay. Young Living essential oils. Are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I use them in all 37 of my diffusers, in my smoothies, in my cleaning products, and I even use them as eye drops from time to time. You most likely will go blind for roughly 24 to 48 hours, but you have never felt so stress-free in your life. So, $50 a bottle every month.
Joan, I'm so proud of you. I can't even see what you're holding there, but that seems like a great deal.
It is.
Now, how does everyone feel about what Joan has just told us?
Well, I guess I feel like there's something I could share.
Okay, Marty, fine.
Well, I've actually been sober for about 2 months
You
now.
know, that is
and-
wonderful, Martin, but we have to move on. Anyone else? Anyone else?
This whole thing is dumber than a pepperoni pizza bagel making a sports shorts Memphis. My wife says that I am being too protective and that I'm too emotional. But I'm a man, you know? A man!
Now, Jeff, is this perhaps just because you miss your little girl? You've protected her whole life, and now you feel that you can't protect her at school?
Well, yeah. No!
There, Jeff.
Jeff, you know what you need? You need some thieves. It will cure you of any emotional or physical affliction. And it can be used to clean even the dirtiest of toilets. For only $75 a month.
Thank you so much. Oh, that burns my eyes. Okay. But, I think it's really starting to help. It smells like cinnamon and a grassy field and Whole Foods.
Well, coincidentally, I do shop at Whole Foods.
Oh my gosh. Oh, my son Lawrence just loves the gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, nut-free, sugar-free, nut-free, the whole
Free.
Oh my gosh, wait, I didn't drop off Lawrence's muffins this week. Lawrence needs me to bring him his muffins. He can't eat the dessert in the dining hall. According to Cinnamon, nobody can. R-O-F-L. Lawrence has allergies. He can't eat the dessert. I have to call him. I have to get him his muffins.
Slow that roll, Deborah! And just think, does young Lawrence really need his muffins, or is this an elaborate and kind of creepy way to call him for the 8th time today? Hand over the phone to me, Deborah. Just breathe in and hold it for as long as you possibly can.
Okay, here you can take some essential oils. It's only $125 a bottle.
Now, I believe that the muffin can be used as a metaphor for you all, as parents, having a deep, unquenchable desire to contact your child any day, day or night, and we are here to crush this muffin. Crush this muffin. Excellent. Now, so glad that you-
Oh my gosh! OMG! Sarah just posted on her story that she's getting a tattoo with her roommate, Kaylee!
What in the name of Mike Tyson is a story?
Oh my gosh, you've got to be devastated. Think of the health risks. Oh, the needle, the potential infection. Oh, the drive there and back. Oh, I am. Because we were supposed to get matching tattoos together. First, she leaves me on Reed. Now she's getting matching Anger Infinity symbol tattoos with Miss Kaylee. Oh!
Man, sounds like you all should stay away from alcohol for the rest of your lives.
What in the name of 1991 Mark Wahlberg are you talking about?
I mean, I'm just saying, I've been sober for 2 months, but it seems like you got...
Hold on a second there, Marty. This is not Alcoholics Anonymous.
Of course it's not anonymous. You know my name, Jeff.
That's enough from you, Martin, please. Now, I am so glad that you all are beginning to see the silver lining. Now, does anyone have any final confessions?
It might come as a surprise, but I do sell Mary Kay and Avon products on the side. So if anyone's